Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Claude response timeout issues when Claude takes a very long time to respond or appears to stop responding completely. If you've ever submitted a prompt to Claude and found yourself waiting far longer than usual for a response, you're not alone. Sometimes Claude may seem stuck on thinking, take several minutes to generate an answer, or fail to respond altogether. Fortunately, there are several common causes and a number of simple fixes you can try. The first thing to do is be patient for a short period. Some requests genuinely require more processing time than others. Large file uploads, lengthy conversations, complex coding tasks, detailed document analysis, and requests involving multiple instructions can naturally take longer to complete than simple questions. However, if the response appears stuck for an unusually long time, try refreshing the conversation. Sometimes the connection between your browser and Claude's servers can be interrupted, causing the response generation process to stall. Refreshing the page and reopening the conversation may restore normal functionality. Next, check your internet connection. Claude relies on a continuous connection while generating responses. If your network briefly disconnects or becomes unstable, the response may stop loading even though the request was successfully submitted. Test a few websites to ensure your internet is working properly and reconnect if necessary. Another common cause is an overly large prompt. If you've pasted thousands of words, uploaded multiple large files, or submitted an extremely complicated request, Claude may require significantly more processing time. Consider breaking the task into smaller parts and submitting them individually. Smaller requests are often processed more quickly and reliably. Long conversations can also contribute to timeout issues. As chats become larger, Claude has more context to process before generating each response. If you're working in a conversation with dozens of messages, try starting a new chat and providing only the information necessary for the current task. This reduces the amount of context Claude needs to review. You should also verify whether Claude is experiencing service issues. During periods of high demand, servers may become overloaded, causing slower response times across the platform. Checking the official Claude status page can help determine whether the slowdown is affecting other users as well. Another useful troubleshooting step is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can occasionally interfere with web applications and cause unusual behavior. After clearing the data, restart your browser and sign back in to Claude. Browser extensions can sometimes create conflicts too. Ad blockers, privacy tools, VPN extensions, and security plugins may interfere with Claude's connection to its servers. Temporarily disabling extensions can help determine whether one of them is causing the delay. Finally, make sure you're using an up-to-date browser. Older browser versions may not fully support the latest web technologies used by Claude, leading to performance issues and delayed responses. By checking your connection, reducing prompt size, starting new conversations, verifying file uploads, clearing browser data, disabling problematic extensions, and checking for service outages, you can resolve most Claude response timeout problems and get Claude responding normally again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.